and welcome to this quick tutorial on how to create a back page in Canva. Let's get started. Open Canva and create a new project. Let's use this template document as an example. Click the plus button to duplicate the existing page. This allows you to reuse fonts and design elements for your back page. If you prefer a blank back page, simply click Add Page to insert a new empty page. For this example, I'll delete the blank page and go back to the duplicated version. By duplicating, we keep the original style from the front page. Now, let's customize it. Now you have a front page with the original design and a matching back page. Once done, go to Share, click Download, and ensure both Page 1 and Page 2 are selected before exporting. And that's all. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.